Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. So guys, I have the S26 Ultra here and I'm having a problem which I'll show you to fix. Now, I have registered my fingerprint and there's a brand new screen protector that's installed on this device. Now, I'm having an effect where, of course, normally the fingerprint sensor will detect my finger, but check this out. It's failing. It says the entire fingerprint sensor, it's giving me tips and it won't go in. All right, so what's happening is that the current fingerprint is not being registered, so you'll have to re-register to fix this issue. So this is basically a fix. So go ahead and swipe up and enter the password. All right guys, so I've entered the password and this is a brand new device, so screen protector on. And what I'm going to do here guys is as I said, this is to fix the problem where your fingerprint is not being recognized. So you're going to go to settings. Once you're in settings, I have nothing set up currently. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to look for security and privacy, which is here. And here, it's showing you the information. So we have lock screen set. And we want to search for the fingerprint. And I just saw it. So it says password and fingerprint. And I'm going to enter the password entered. I'm going to hit continue. All right, now check this out guys. It's showing here that I have one fingerprint. Now to fix this, I'll have to go in and delete the current fingerprint. So I'll tap here. We have a fingerprint right here, and what we'll have to do is add a fingerprint. So we'll have to re-add. So press there, hit register, and go ahead and register. And remember that it's normal in cases like this for the fingerprint after the screen protector is on to not register your fingerprint anymore. All right, so we're going to add the fingerprint. There you go, it's done. So I'm going to hit done, and here we have two fingerprints there. All right, so I have re-registered this fingerprint, and you can actually add a fingerprint twice. So you can always go back and edit or add additional fingerprints, such as a secondary fingerprint. So let's see now if it will allow me in. There you go. So you notice the issue is fixed versus before where your phone was not accepting your correct fingerprint. And this happens because of the installation of the screen protector. So there's a screen protection on this now. So if you did install your fingerprint before, and this is happening to you, that's the problem. It's because of the screen protector that you have installed. Different screen protectors will behave different ways, but of course by re-adding your fingerprint it will fix that problem. All right, so hope that was helpful guys. See you in the next one. Bye.